Hi, I'm Connie from Pretty Much by the River, and today I am going to share with you two different Advent boxes that I purchased. They're both 25 days. This one is from Missouri Star Quilt Company. Look at that beautiful box. Isn't that fun? And this one is from Soft Squares, and this is, I believe it's called Box A. They have two, and they have a 12-day one and a 25. I bought both of them. But we'll start out with these two, and let's take a look and see what's in here. Okay, they are both heavy. So this is the Soft Squares, and as you can see, heavy. There's a lot in here, and they're all like this. So let's see what it says. Thank you for supporting my small business and being patient with us as we worked hard on getting everything in the box for you. This is filled with goodies for quilters, as well as yummy treats, plus a contest. On day one, you'll find a special card. You will need to watch the video on December 1st to learn what to do with it. Let's see. Okay, so let me see. Let's just start off looking for number one. And number one is right up on top. And these are they're like plastic. So, yep, they're like plastic. So, day one. Day one is an envelope. And I can remember from last year that this comes so that you can put, there are going to be quilt patterns and things in here. Let's see. Day one, here's a nice selection of patterns to add to your collection. Merry Stars is a complementary pattern to the Make It Merry quilt pattern. Both are written by the same designer. Okay, we have this one. Oh, this is teaching you how to do flange binding, if you've never done that, which I love flange binding. There's this cute little quilt called Rui. Here's one called Puzzled. There's a bingo card because they have some kind of a contest thing going on. Here is Underwater Basket Weaving Pattern by Amanda Bauer. That's a cute quilt, and it comes in three different sizes. Merry Stars by Lamb Farm Designs. This is 63 by 21, and it's a table runner. That's pretty cool. Mod Stars. I bet we get the fabric for this. So this is cute. And then there is Emerald City. And it's another pattern like that. So that's what, for day one, that's what I received. Put that stuff all back in there so you don't lose it. Okay. Now, this is Missouri Star Quilt Company. Their box. I go this way. Okay. Here's their box. Can you see all kinds of neat envelopes too? And this one got a 1 up there, so that's the first one to open. And here's a little card from Jenny. So that's cute. There are 25 merry little surprises, each handpicked with care, creativity, and a whole lot of love. Let's see what's in package number 1. Oh, those are cute. I think I can save that. Okay. Snow Globe Winter Journey. Project pattern for a panel and yardage. So there is that. And it's going to make a wall hanging that is 34.5 by 33.5, or a table runner 14 by 50. And it's a panel. There. That's a cute panel. Okay. Yeah, because you'll be able to use that for on the snow globes. So that's cute, and that is day one. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in the first day of the Advent calendar. And then tomorrow I'll show you the next one.